Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can save Netflix downloads onto an SD card on an Android. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. If you're downloading a lot of Netflix shows and movies, it can make sense to go and start saving them to your SD card. You will need to do this on a device which has an SD card. So I'm doing this on an Android. So what you need to do is go to the bottom and go and click on My Netflix. Then on this page, you then need to go to the top right and go and click on the three lines. And it will then open up this menu at the bottom and you need to go and click on App Settings. You'll then see a few different options, but you need to come into Downloads and you'll go and see the download location. And all you need to do is click there and you'll see the option for your SD card here. Since I don't have any SD card in my device, that's why it is not showing here. But in your case, the option will be here. You just need to select that and then your downloads will be saving to that new location. You can always come back here and change it to internal storage whenever you want. So that's basically how you can save Netflix downloads onto an SD card on an Android. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.